Go.
We completed World 9! Woohoo! 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 We're in the city, Luigi! I know! Woohoo! 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 I feel something coming behind me, but I don't know what it is. Let's just keep on walking. Let me go check. Luigi?
Yes, Mario?
There's something behind me, like a monster, Godzilla or something.
Is it Bowser?
Yes, I think. He freaks me out. We got it.
We're gonna get it.